Oh, this one, oh, yeah.
So we're of course back at Roma and Freddy's. I'm hoping this week is their last week and we get it all done. However, we are at the most precarious point, which is the top part, right up to the ceiling. Let's take a look.
Get me that's 3 metres to there.
Can I give you my idea?
What?
What if you did where, like you said before, this, I suppose you can do this, was bolted against that, on that step. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
And then another one this side, you won't be able to bolt it, but if you had it, so it balanced on that step, but you did another block going down.
Yeah, well,
would that not be enough?
I don't know if they're long enough, that's the thing. I don't know if they're long enough. Come out of the way.
You'll lift it up and see, lift this one to
no,
there.
well, that isn't long enough, I know it isn't, definitely. So you take my tape measure to the top step.
That step.
That step. Yeah, it says 3 metres to there, so yeah, we could do that. Yeah.
What do you think?
So you do one to there and one to there. This
Yeah,
is the
that
only
one
thing.
to there, and you could put a thing going down to that step.
Yeah, yeah.
So they both had ones going down, but they've got them there.
So that.
And then put a couple of bolts in there to be safe. But I don't know if you.
Well, you
get it
can
in
because you can, but you probably have to chop it out of these.
So after a bit of discussion, it looked like my idea was going to work perfectly.
Well, it's not my idea, it's your idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to run off the top step, not the very top, the landing, but the step down, run it all the way across here, and then do a support down here, then run a piece into this beam, because this is nice and hard, all the way across here, down here, and then we're going to cover it with boards across there. My only thought with that is that, you know, I think we need to do 2 or 3 boards on top of it, so you've got, you know, be all right with your weight. I wouldn't like it because there's a gap in the middle, but I think with your weight it should be fine. But the trouble is we have to build this framework first, then or get stuff up first, get everything up, all the mortar, and then build the framework and then effectively close you in. So that's it. down. So we need the 3 metre in there. Right, you've definitely got everything you need.
Yeah. So how am I gonna?
So, should I do it from?
Yeah, if you go down and we push this one across.
Push this one across, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in.
Right.
Next one.
Okay. I love you, baby.
Yeah. You be careful now, because this is it. Give me a kiss. Before I go.
Mwah, I love you.
Love you too.
Right.
Well, thin bit.
Right, see you on the other side, baby.
See you later, bud. You in?
Yeah, that's it.
Perfect.
Good. Right. Last one. Love you.
Love you. I'll see you later. I'll just pack up and I'll be off.
Okay. Okay, so the platform's done and I'm ready to get going. It's taken us all morning to do this, but at least I feel safe. And I just really need a hop up. I might get the step ladder in, but step ladder, hop up, just to get up there. Perfect. I better get going. Let's get a quick time. finally, the job is done. There was me worrying about the height of this and being able to get up it, and Ted's platform was just amazing. I have got to leave it to dry for a week, come back and give a last sort of brushing back, and sometimes you get some hairline cracks where it's sort of drying out and you fill them just with a really loose bit of mortar where you just rub it in, and they're tiny, you can't really see them, but I just like to do the final bit, brush it back and have a really good clean in here before Roma and Freddy get back, because when they get here they're not going to want, it just causes so much dust and you get the dust setting in, so I'll leave it a week, but let all the dust settle and come back and yeah, do it all. It's been a hell of a job this, I have to say, but I've enjoyed it. It's been really good, and I love this look. It looks so natural. I don't know if you see, I've done the window, around the window behind me, and it's got a little round window. It's beautiful little window. Once it gets a bit of glass in there, it will look really lovely. Yeah, so anyway, we're done. This means that now, not next week, because actually next week I've got something else for you, but the week after that, we're going to be back working in the boot room, and I've got Mikey coming down to help me, and we're going to do the top of the carve. So back at the Chateau and working there again, which, yes, be great. Anyway, next week I have for you, I've put together a condensed version of sort of public, no, what do you call it? I don't know what you call it, like an advertisement for the sale of the Chateau. But it gives you a complete walkthrough of the Chateau. And I think it's really good. And I did it to send to overseas people that might be interested in buying the Chateau. And I just thought you might like to see it too, because it's been a while since you've been round all of the Chateau. And it kind of gives you an understanding where everything is and what's actually involved in the Chateau. Because lots of people that come kind of say, we didn't realise it was so big and there were so many buildings. So it might be interesting for you. So I'm going to upload that next week. Anyway, this week, I'd like to say a huge thank you to our good friend, Curly Whirly. Thank you so much. And a huge thank you to Kim Ward for your buy us a coffee. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your support. It's really kind of you. If you'd like to buy us a coffee, then the link is in the description. And we'll see you all next week. Take care, everyone. See you soon. Bye. I'm off home now for a cup of tea.